The inspection process is an indispensable part of modern manufacturing businesses to ensure consistency in product quality. It plays the role of catalysts in reducing defects and deviations, which help you in delivering better quality products and processes. Since the effectiveness of the inspection directly impacts the product's defect density, you can no longer rely on a paper-based system. It has certain limitations in terms of data visibility and traceability. Implementing a next-generation inspection management solution would be best to leverage better capabilities to schedule, manage, and track inspection activities. If you are concerned about finding the right inspection management solution, then look no further. You can count on Qualityze Inspection Management software. Qualityze Inspection Management helps you simplify the complex challenge of managing incoming quality. Our risk-based workflow streamlines your incoming inspection process and ensures that you inspect the right products from the right suppliers at the right time. Whether you are performing the incoming inspection at a single site or you need global visibility into incoming quality data, Qualityze Inspection Management provides you tools to define sampling plans and inspection standards, streamline incoming, in-process, or outgoing or other types of inspection, mitigate supplier-related risks, control incoming quality requirements, streamline material, part and finished product inspections, integrate with existing business systems, monitor delivery and inspection trends, generate non-conformance for samples that failed inspections, evaluate the need for reinspection, secure supplier inspection records and data to feed into supplier rating. Using Qualityze Inspection Management, you can easily access all the inspection details, deviations, non-conformances, supplier ratings to review and implement action plans to elevate the product quality and supplier performance. As a result, Qualityze ensures that only conforming and compliant materials, components, parts, finished products get into production or distribution. It further helps organizations save expenses on repetitive quality issues caused by defective materials, components, parts, or finished products. Built upon the world's most secure and reliable platform, Salesforce.com, Qualityze enables your quality teams to manage end-to-end quality from anywhere around the globe. The software's intuitive interface allows you to configure inspection workflows in adherence to industry-proven best practices and compliance requirements. It also comprises the features like email approvals, important reminders, notifications, electronic signatures, dashboards, and reports. All you need to have is a Qualityze user license and get rid of all the inspection-related challenges, from defining sampling plans to evaluating the need for material reinspection. You are just a click away from experiencing Qualityze. Click on the Request Demo button. For more information, you can call us on 1-877-207-8616 or email info@qualityze.com, and our customer success team will be right there for you. Get Qualityze to transform your QMS into a quality decision-making engine. Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality.